Hello people, welcome to my video series on building real-life application that help save time and make work easier. Today, I will be showing you how you can display live COVID-19 data into your website or your mobile apps. So let's get started. Today, we'll be using this link. We'll be using this link to get live COVID-19 data and then display it into our little application or website that we'll build right now. Okay, so let's see what is in this link. This link output some set of JSON file from an external server.
Africa will rise again. Yes, you can. Yes, I will. Fight my way through the storm. Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes, I will. With the children of the...
This data link is outputting all live data on COVID-19. So you can see the whole world data right here. We got the cases, today case, death, today death. You got the country below it. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a specific country live data on COVID-19 and display it into your website. Maybe whatever country you're in, you may like to display your country data onto your website or your application. So as for me, I'm in Liberia, so I'm going to search for Liberia. Oops, yeah, this is Liberia. So I'm going to copy Liberia and then go to the link, make a / and then paste Liberia and enter. Perfect. So this is my record, my live record for my country. So this showing me live cases, total cases, today death, today cases, total death, recovery, active cases right now, critical, and then showing me case per 1 million, case per death per 1 million, total tested, total per 1 tested per 1 million. So we're going to be displaying cases, today case, death, today death, recovery, and inactive cases. So we want to display this data that coming from an external server into our website so that when people goes on our website, you can actually see live data of my country on my website. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open this file into my editor because I'm going to build a new site. Open with VS Code. Okay, great. So we want to create a new file, Control N, and then save that new file as index.html. Then change my format to HTML and press save. Bingo, my file got saved. So now we start to build a mini application that will display that JSON or that text data into our website using JavaScript. So I'll say live COVID-19 data. Sorry, let me say Liberia live COVID-19 data. Good. So I get our website right now. So let's take a look at this website we just built. Okay, so we get our website up right now. It's totally empty. So let's put something to it so it can look like a website. So there is a H1 tag, and then say Liberia life COVID-19 data. And then I can just put a little star here. We've got no time for creating a new star sheet. And then say dash center. Say text alignment, text align center. Now I can add this class to my H1. And then it will center that text for me. So let's see. Okay, so we say Liberia Live COVID-19 data, right? So let's just say, for instance, right now, this is our website. So we want to display this text data from this external server that's sitting somewhere else, I don't know. We want to display this record into our website. So let's get started. First, we need a little library to help us in the process, which is jQuery. Very popular library that a lot of programmers, web developers use on a daily basis. So we have to find jQuery library. So let's check for it. jQuery, let me check my download.
I believe in Africa. I believe in Africa. I believe in you. Yali, yali, yali.
Okay, so here's jQuery. Just need to copy this jQuery and then take it to our file, let's see, our folder. We're building our application. We'll go to desktop, web plus, link in, and then paste it right there. Perfect. So now we got our jQuery library. Now we want to link to our jQuery library. So go back to our site we are building and say script. Say // jQuery right there and save it. Now we can start to make our request to that URL that have the JSON file or the text file that we need to display in our website in real time. So we use a method called, it's an Ajax called get. Sorry, it's not writing a script. We use a method called get. $sign get parenthesis open, pass my URL screen, and then on success callback, we can call our function. So we need to display our URL right here. So that's the URL right here. So we'll come back to our URL, this link right here, copy it, replace it right here, It's a screen, so we put it in here. And then we say on success, which means if you successfully make the request to get the data or to reach this server, give all the data. And then we write this. So now we say take a look at our data again. Okay, so we say data dash what? Cases. So bring us the cases, which is this file right here. Right here, these cases. We have 178 cases right now in my country. So I want to display that cases onto my website. And it will be changing in real time. So I said this. So to know that it's there, so we just want to alarm it. Just to make sure that we get the right data coming in. And then we're going to refresh our website. Good. Now we get ahead right here, 178 data. And definitely that's it. We actually had 178 data here. So when we call that file, we actually alarm the 178 data. So let's display it and see. So what I would do right now, I'll create a layout card here. And then I'm going to add my cases. Then add a span tag. Add a span tag where I can display the result of that particular, the figure of that particular case. So let's see. So I'm going to add an ID to this and tell a cases. So I'm going to take this alarm out and get the ID. Cases dash text. So we want to replace the space between here with the text of that API data. So when I refresh it, go back to our website. Great. And then we have our cases right here. So let's set our color to be at least low fancy. We'll give you a starting, give you a width, give you a 400 pixel, and then a margin of 0 and order. And then let's say we're going to give you a shadow, a box shadow, just to make it stand out. Sorry. A box shadow of 10. And we're going to use our color of gray. Save it. Go back to our website. And there we go. We have our gray box right there. So we're going to go back to our code. Now we want to display our today case. So for today cases, sorry. And then we want to display today keys. So change this word to today cases word right here. Copy this, go and paste it in our website, save it, then there we go. We'll get our today keys right there. So let's fix our shadow box. Inspect element, grab our shadow fixer.
I believe in Africa. I believe in Africa. I believe in you.
Sorry.
I believe in Africa. I believe in Africa. I believe in Africa. I believe in you.
Now we have fixed our shadow.
Yeah. Mama, mama, mama. We made it. We made it. Mama,
We add some pattern of 20 pixels. So it looks good. Now we just have ourselves our cases and our today cases. Bingo. So that change, let's set a color so we can know the difference. Red will be color red. Then we can set depth can remain black. So we'll add this red to what we get keys. And then today keys are the same thing. So when we go to our website, now we actually see our cases right there. So in Liberia, currently at the moment, we have 178 cases. Today we have 0. Today starts from 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock midnight. So secondly, we want to display something else. We want to display total death. So we place our death right here. We say total death. So let's call this total cases. So total death. We want to do the same thing. Create a span. And then within our span tag, we add an ID. I will tell us total, or I will just say def because it will still represent the same total. And then we'll copy this text, get this element, and again, remember I'm using jQuery library. Very easy to get, free of charge. Text, and then get the text from the API dot def save it, go to my website, and there we go. We got our total def. So this data changes immediately. There's an update. So it's very easy and fast to get. So you see, we just build ourselves a real life application that take in live COVID-19 data of a particular country and display it onto our website. So let's try to display today dev. So we just have to copy this. After copying this, we grab our today dev, and then We change this to today. You don't have to create an element for that today there. So we can just duplicate this and change this wall to today, and then change this wall to today. Good. So after this, we can go to our website again, and then, oops, small mistake. I think I missed the wall. Okay, it's actually today dev. So grab this, go back to our website, paste it right here. Save it, and then go back to our website. So actually right now in Liberia, today, since 12 o'clock midnight, there is no death in my country for COVID-19 now. So we want to display total number of people that have then recovered from the deadly virus. So what we do, we say we draw a line right here to show the split up, each arrow a line. Then we say the same H3 dark. We say total recovery. Just have to grab this right here and go back to our website. We're building. Replace the wall right here. Total recovery. So create the same span tag again that allows us to set our data. And then we can set an ID and say recovery. After this, we can come down here and grab that at that ID, paste it in, replace the text with the text from our website, from the API data. Good. So this now will bring us the total amount of people that have been recovered from the deadly virus within my country. Okay. So let's set a color. So let's make recover to be maybe green. So class, we say green, green, which we have to specify up here. Let me just copy this guy right here, paste it in, replace this wall with green, and then go back to our website. Bingo. Now we get total recovery is 75 in Liberia. So actually this works for any country. Just look on the list right here, look on the list, and then search your country, remove this, go to countries, go to this API. It will list all the countries, search the countries, search your country you're in. After finding your country, go to the same link, create a forward slash, and then paste that country there, and then press enter. You actually get what you are looking for. So we already displayed our total cases, today cases, total death, today death, and total recovery. So let's see if we can display our active cases. So our active cases, we can just like duplicate this and create total active cases. And then we can say active right here. The ID to represent this element. And then we can call it, we can give the color of blue. Then we have to specify our blue up here. So just duplicate this guy and specify blue, BLUE. And then change the color to BLUE. So to get this, you can just duplicate this element and replace this with active, which is our ID, this ID from here. We're telling the code, we're telling JavaScript like, hey, jQuery, go grab this ID, bring it, and then replace the text space between there with the text I'm about to give you. So I will just come here and say active, save it, and then go back to my website. And there we go. So we have just built ourselves a little website that shows our live, active, total cases, total death, to day cases of COVID-19 within my country, Liberia. So guys, for today, this is it. I hope I see you guys on board on Sunday. I'll be making another video on building real life application that helps save time and make work easier. So thanks.